So we're going to show you our apartment tour, 1-bedroom condo tour. So as you guys can see, this is our living room area. We have our lovely couch that is it's a pull-out couch, which is really great. We really love that this is a pull-out couch, so if any of our friends would like to come visit us, they have a place to sleep. We have this little area we could sit at. We have a TV, this random chair, and I really love the little like spaces of storage. So for example, this has a lot of storage, and Lewis and I have a ton of crap.
So guys, this place is kind of tiny, it's small, but it's exactly what we want. It's across the street from the beach, it's cute, it's already furnished. We didn't have to rent a moving truck, we didn't have to, you know, go through that struggle.
With the struggle of finding furniture and moving the furniture.
The only concern I have is being in this tight, confined space with her, even though I love her and we get along, you know, day after day, it's, you know, we might get cabin fever.
He's lying because...
But that's why we're by the beach.
No, he's lying because we've literally spent every second of every freaking day with each other. And yesterday, we each had our own separate turns, and he said that he missed me. So don't let him fool you. But anyways, we have this super cute apartment. It kind of made us nervous because we realized we have so much stuff. But while coming in today and figuring out where we can place everything, we kind of have a little spot for all of our things. And although this place is furnished, I will be changing a little bit here and there. But yeah, let's get back to the little tour. So now let's move on to the kitchen. So here we have this, what would you call this, like a high top table. So yeah, you can either sit here, Annie, or you could sit over there. And then we have a full fridge. So we have a full fridge here, and Lewis and I buy a lot of groceries, so I'm super happy about this full fridge. We have a microwave that we're really not going to use because I'm buying an air fryer. Super excited about that, so we're probably going to put it up here. And one thing I really liked about this little kitchen is that it has so much storage. So if you just open up this apartment came with all of this. I got it. So we have just literally so much. We have, you know, containers. There's everything that we might need. And yeah. One thing I will say about this kitchen is that it has a tiny oven and stove. Look at this. Look at this tiny, how are you supposed to make your pizzas?
I don't think I can.
I know, it's so tiny. So that's another reason why I'm buying an air fryer, just so I can make a lot of meals in that. But yeah, I love all the lighting. I think one of my favorite parts about this place is just the lighting. There's so many windows for natural light. We move on to here, all of the plates and bowls. And this place came with all of these items. So much wine glasses. All right, Lewis, do you want to take us to the bathroom and bedroom?
I guess. Let's go, guys. Come with me. All right, guys, so this is this bathroom, and if you look at the shower here, take a look, peek. It is tiny shower, but that's good because there's no dilly-dally. You get in, you get out, like in the military, you know what I'm saying? Right here, we got the toilet bowl. I like it because, I'm just kidding, it's a regular toilet bowl. We got a sink. Normally, in our other place, Nina kept all her little products on the sink, but she doesn't have any room for that, which means there's less clutter. You see, you gotta think strategically.
Wait, it's blurry.
If you want less clutter, you need to not have that much space to put your crap. Here we go, we got a sink. we've never even looked in here. This is the first time. And they gave us some oatmeal and almond bath bar. Wow. I love oatmeal.
I honestly didn't know this was here. I thought this was empty. Look, they even comes with cleaning products.
They furnished the shit out of this place. They gave us everything. They gave us mops, brooms, cleaning supplies. They gave us so much stuff I don't even want it. They give us a Swifter, power jet Swifter, towels for days. They even got like a 1950s scale. That's an antique, guys. All right.
Now
in this room,
the
there we go.
happens.
I never even seen one of these unless it was in like the freaking Mark Twain museum that we went to. To hang coats. It's a coat hanger in Florida. What do you need?
This is so tropical. I feel like I'm gonna get tired of the brightness of this room.
Now, this room decoration-wise is what I would call bare minimum, but we're gonna make it ourselves, all right? And at least they provided a mirror, because every girl needs a mirror. We got even some beach chairs, which was very unexpected. If you're gonna live by the beach, right, you need to invest in some good beach equipment. Maybe we'll do another video on what I would call our beach setup.
Okay. You're not done with the closet. We were very concerned about this closet because, like I said, we have so much stuff, but I can already tell it's gonna work. You know, we could put all of our shoes here.
Look at this. We got our own laundry baskets.
And I'm also buying a clothing rack to put here just for our uniforms. So stay tuned to see that.
Check out this. We got all of this nice storage space here. Even though it is a nice big thing, we're gonna use every inch of it because we have so much stuff. It's too much. We got space for stuff in here and here and you guessed it, and here and here. We got a lamp. The lighting in here is nothing to write home about, but
because of this curtain that I really want to change.
I guess
You forgot to show him this little storage.
Oh, and Nina's favorite little thing. It's would you call this a trunk? I don't know, but a little storage thing. I could put stuff in there.
Guys, look how cute the lamps are. Like the one on the left, it has little seashells in it. Super cute. And this little nightstand, which I have a feeling this might be my side. I don't know yet, we'll see. But more storage, as we said, much needed and appreciated. So that was our super quick apartment tour. Our lease is only 7 months, and that works perfectly because honestly, we don't know what's gonna happen in a couple months. There's a lot of talk about furloughs. We'll get into that in another video. I just wanted to show you guys what our new place looks like. It's super cute. I'm super excited to create more content in this space. Anything else you want to say, Louis?
I think like where we are in our career as flight attendants, with everything going on with COVID, you know, the future is uncertain. So not to get
too much into it right now.
Well, not to get, you know, bogged down with a 12-month lease, to be able to stay here for 7 months. I think it's just like, this is awesome. I'm so happy to be here. This was, you know, affordable. It's nice. It's right by the beach, and like, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun 7 months. And yeah, I hope we have people that visit us because we got the pull-out sofa and
the beach. So if you're friends with us and you're watching this, come visit. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna get to it and start bringing some stuff in, start moving in. Stay tuned for future vlogs so I can show you guys what small like little changes that I did to this apartment. Once again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, turn on your post notification bell button so you are notified whenever I do upload, and I'll see you guys in another video.